Hi guys, here I'm Alex93 and this is my Christmas present for this year. This and this also. Both. Alright, this is a Revo Vision over Visibility signature collection by Bono from YouTube. This is a very handsome and beautiful glasses. Now I'm proceeding with the unboxing. Inside the box we can find, of course, a solid or rigid box protective case from Rēvo. Yes. And also inside the box we can find these two tickets. Now I'll show you. Yes, it's Rēvo plus Bono, Vision over Visibility. And also this, Buy Vision, Give a Sight. When you buy a Rēvo, $10 goes to support those fighting for their sight. Amazing stuff by Rēvo and Bono. And now all fall down. Very good. And now I'm very proud and very happy to share this moment with my fans and with all people that watching this video. This is signature sunglasses, sorry, by Bono for Rēvo, Vision over Visibility collection. Inside the box we are the logo, Vision over Visibility, and here we are. This is the glasses. Amazing. Very nice shades. Now I try to open this. Very good, nice. Write this now here. They looks very great. I chose light blue version of these sunglasses. Real name is custom blue. Yes, custom blue glasses. It's okay. We are Rēvo. We are solid box from Rēvo. And Vision over Visibility, oh sorry, box case collection, signature by Bono. Enjoy this Christmas, and if you like this video, sorry for my English, I'm Italian, If you like this video, share, enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the next video. Thank you very much, and happy Christmas and happy New Year.